In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Ctrl+S not working in Microsoft Word. If the Ctrl+S keyboard shortcut is not working in Microsoft Word, you may not be able to quickly save your changes using the keyboard. In this tutorial, we'll check the shortcut settings and make sure the Save command is correctly assigned. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you are experiencing the problem. Once the document is open, go to the File tab in the upper left corner. From the File menu, select Options. This will open the Word Options window. In the Word Options window, select Customize ribbon from the options on the left side. Next, look toward the bottom of the window and find the Keyboard Shortcuts option. Click Customize. A new window will appear where you can manage the keyboard shortcuts used in Microsoft Word. In the Categories section, select the appropriate category for the Save command. Then look through the available commands and locate the Save command. Select Save and check the current keyboard shortcut assigned to it. If Ctrl+S is not assigned correctly, click inside the field for the new shortcut key and press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Make sure the shortcut appears in the field before continuing. Once the shortcut is assigned, click Assign to apply the keyboard shortcut. Then click Close to exit the keyboard customization window, and click OK to close the Word Options window. Now return to your document and make a small change to the text. Press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Microsoft Word should now save the document using the Ctrl+S shortcut. If the shortcut is working correctly, your changes should be saved without needing to open the File menu. Keep in mind that keyboard shortcuts can sometimes be changed or reassigned, especially when other custom settings have been applied to Microsoft Word. Checking the keyboard customization settings can help you identify whether Ctrl+S is still connected to the Save command. If Ctrl+S was already assigned correctly, check your keyboard and make sure the Control key and the S key are working properly. You can also use the Save command from the File menu to confirm that Microsoft Word itself can save the document. Once Ctrl+S is working again, you can use this shortcut whenever you need to quickly save your Word document. And that's how you can fix Ctrl+S not working in Microsoft Word and restore the keyboard shortcut for saving your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,